Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Home Routines with Nest devices, full guide step by step clearly. To install Google Home Routines with Nest devices, start by ensuring your Google Home app is installed on your smartphone. Open the Google Home app. Make sure you are logged into your Google account. Check that your Nest devices are properly set up and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your smartphone. Tap on the Routines option located in the menu. Select Manage Routines to view existing routines or create a new one. To create a new routine, tap on the plus icon. Choose a trigger for your routine, such as a specific time or a voice command. Set the actions you want to include in this routine. You can add actions like adjusting the thermostat, turning on lights, or playing music. If you wish to add multiple actions, simply tap Add Action again. Once you've selected all desired actions, review them to ensure they're correct. You can also set conditions for your routine, like only starting when you're at home. After customizing your routine, tap Save to store it. Your routine will now appear in the list of available routines. To test your routine, simply invoke it using the chosen trigger. Make any necessary adjustments if things don't work as intended. Remember that you can always edit or delete routines from the same menu. With your new routine set up, enjoy the convenience of automated tasks in your home. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.